Hey guys, welcome to the Priorities 4-car garage. So first up, we've got the master suite at the front. So it's big enough for a master king bed. It's got a little makeup recess, and then we come through into the ensuite. Toilet on the left, you've got a double basin, you have a freestanding bathtub, and then directly opposite you have your twin shower with a shower ledge. And then coming into an entire bedroom size walk-in robe, which is ideal for many people. We'll come through the rest of the home. So there's a 4x2 with a quad garage, no theatre, just to suit smaller blocks. So come through into the massive quad garage. This is a 6x11.5, so it will fit 4 big full-size 4-wheel drives in here. Raised it for 4-wheel drive access, so it's a 2.7 ceiling with a 2.4 entry. So Patrol 5-inch 37s comfortably will fit through. And coming through, and into the open plan living and dining area. And then we have a kitchen, big island bench, 900 appliances, fridge recess where we are, and then it goes into a scullery section with your walk-in pantry, and then that flows onto the laundry. So it's got room for a top loader, or you can stack a front loader and a dryer. You've got linen, sliding robes for your linen, and then we'll go through to the back where all the minor bedrooms are. We've got bed 2 with built-in robes, with mirrored sliding robes. Each of the minor bedrooms will fit a queen bed, some with 1 or 2 side neighbours as well. So that's bed 2. Now you've got bed 3, same thing, built-in robes in every single minor bedroom. Cool. And then bed 4. And then you got the toilet, and then your spare bathroom. So spare bathroom, we've actually reduced that gap. We put some brickwork with the nib wall, your basic bathtub, but it's quite nice. Make sure that in doing this, you remove that empty gap, so it's really handy, and it creates a little shower ledge in the spare bathroom. So come through, this is sitting on a 450 square meter block. So what we've been able to do is hug the garage on the side and then make that a little bit more wider opening for the rest of the home with a nice large alfresco, standard ceilings, and that's basically it. It gives you that side access where you need, while still retaining the important things like a quad garage and a big home.